Thank you, Mukesh. My inspiration, my biggest supporter, my cheerleader, my husband, Mukesh. Thank you, Mukesh. He's the sweetest. Thank you for trusting us with your most precious children. It's an absolute honor to partner with you in shaping their future, and in doing so, shaping the future of our country, our world, and our planet. A special gratitude to all the grandparents who add so much warmth and wisdom to our school community. As a grandparent myself now, I can say that being a part of our babies' journey, watching them dream, grow, and shine is the greatest joy and the biggest privilege of our lives. Tonight, as we celebrate the achievements of our children, let us also take a moment to honor all of you, our dear parents and grandparents. Let's give a biggest round of applause to our incredible parents and grandparents. Also, a big thank you to all the parents who have helped us tirelessly with the wonderful costumes that our children will wear tonight. Many of them are parents whose children have already graduated, but they continue to be a part of our school family and join us for every annual day with so much love, enthusiasm, and hard work. A big round of applause for all of them. Our constants, Ami, Vaishali, Kirti, Prachi, Nirali, Nehal, Preeti, Sachi, Sangeeta, and the new mothers from our junior school, Radha, Aditi, Pooja, Priya, and Nandini. Thank you. Friends, today I would also like to thank another very special parent and grandparent who is in the audience today. Someone without whose constant guidance and motivation, none of this would exist. Someone who holds a record of 100% attendance for both days of our annual day and every single graduation day right from its inception. That means including yesterday, 38 annual days and 20 graduation ceremonies till date and counting. My inspiration, my biggest supporter, my cheerleader, my husband Mukesh. Thank you, Mukesh. He's the sweetest.
मुकेश अंबानी के शर्म से हुए गाल लाल। मुकेश अंबानी शर्मा से गए जब दामाद परिमल के सामने सास नीता अंबानी ने फेंका फ्लाइंग किस। एनुअल डे के दौरान जहां नीता अंबानी ने जैसे ही कहा आई लव यू मुकेश, फिर क्या था, मुकेश अंबानी शर्म से लाल लाल हो गए, उनके गाल टमाटर की तरह हो गए और उन्होंने नीचे की तरफ देखना शुरू कर दिया। ऐसे में आनंद पीरामल ने जैसे ही मुकेश अंबानी को देखा, मुकेश अंबानी शर्मा से गए, वहीं नीता को ओके कहते हुए नजर आए हैं। फिलहाल नीता अंबानी ने उन्हें पूरी स्पीच के दौरान थैंक यू कहा है और लव यू मुकेश भी कहकर पुकारा है। अब ऐसे में जहां नीता की स्पीच से मुकेश अंबानी की गाल तो लाल हुए, लेकिन पूरी ऑडियंस मुकेश अंबानी को शर्माते हुए देखकर काफी खुश हुई, तो वहीं दामाद का चेहरा तो देखने लायक था। आनंद पीरामल जो कि अपने ससुर को लगातार देखे जा रहे थे, वे काफी खुश हुए जब सास ने लव यू कहा, वो भी एनुअल डे के दौरान इतने सारे लोगों में जहां उनके सास और ससुर ने अपने प्यार का इजहार किया। वहीं पर नीता अंबानी जो कि मुकेश अंबानी से बहुत प्यार करती हैं, इसीलिए उन्हें हर चीज का क्रेडिट देती नजर आती है, तो उनके लव यू कहने पर और खासकर किस फेंकने पर सभी मुस्कुराते हैं, तो मुकेश अंबानी शर्मा से जाते हैं।
Dear parents and children, I would also like to thank and congratulate the pillars of our school, our heads, teachers, staff, and all our bus DDs, lift bhaiyas, housekeeping DDs and bhaiyas, canteen staff, nurses, and security teams who are always there with a smile, welcoming and looking after our children. Every day you all go beyond the call of duty, creating a nurturing and a safe place where young minds are inspired, challenged, and empowered. Not only you teach our children, you instill values, you build character, and you make our school their home away from home. Many of them have been a part of our family since the inception of DIS and are now the founding members of our NMAJS family. What a wonderful and fulfilling journey it has been. Please join me in giving our incredible heads, teachers, and staff a huge round of applause.